Libby, here, heel. Randy, you want to see how bad your little gal is? Here. This is Libby, owned by Randy Hawkins. Heel back. Heel. Got a knot on her head from running into the trailer. She got to settle down. Sit. Get some birds. Bumpers. We'll throw a poison bird. No, I know you want that. Sit. 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 Coming running from the mound right here. We got a 492-yard blind. Here. Heel. Sit. We're going to throw her blind's right here. We're going to throw her almost an inline poison bird. Right there. Sit. We're going to throw it as a push. Sunday morning, I'm training by myself, of course. Sit. Mark. Mark. No. Heel back. Here. Sit. Here. Sit. Dead bird. Back! Too much angle. Back! Back! Got 3 water entries. Looks like she's figured it out from right there. There's one big entry. There's the second entry. She should be coming up on a big ridge. Can't see her, but that's common. Right there she is. Another big entry. Come on, hold that line. And bingo. This is the first time that she has ran that blind from right here. Reason she took this, you see them piles up there? We have run pattern blind. This is the pattern blind field. Boom, boom, up the hill. And then another one across right where that lie is almost, but to the left and across the pond. And that was her pattern blind field. And that's what she saw at first. This right here. I probably should have called her back, realigned her, and kicked her off. But I wanted to do a little handling off of that. Good girl, come on. Libby has turned into a freak. And her memory is going to be spot on. I say that. I went to bragging on her too quick. Let's see. You brag on a dog afterwards. That's your line right there, sweetheart. What you doing over here? Good job, Libby. Here, sit. Mark. Libby. Oh yeah, she's not even. There it is, huh? It's on this side of the road. Yes, ma'am. Good job. I'll take that with $1 million. Libby, owned by Mr. Randy Hawkins. Just a sweetheart. Just a sweetheart you are. All right, good girl. Get that. Oh, that hurt, didn't it? That's what I do. I beat them in the head like that with them ducks. They really like it. All right, be another dog.